Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. And some neighbor no more the pa. I need you, Dr. Bawumia the camp. Ubi some said there are some near say I need you by and said. Yewra Kwabena Agyepong, the engineer Kwabena Agyepong, one of the MPP aspirant for the flag bearership of the 2028 general election. Kwabena engineer Kwabena Agyepong, former general secretary of the MPP party. Papa we main campaign manager. Meka campaign manager Timasi ye. Enipa ono ne hwe Yewra Kwabena Agyepong. Ni campaign so, ni management so no. Sa nipa no ene ase wa withdraw ne ho from Kwabena Agyepong camp that led into the camp of the winning team, which is Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. DNT Papa are taking such a decision at a crucial moment. I can't just 7 weeks near Kotoaba. The main manager, the manager of the campaign, any point a draw prane bibia. Kwanya Kwabena Agyepong the campaign on Faso, Namco, said the way over to me win election. Or so they were Babonte. Or no Kwabena Agyepong, ya Simbiaka, Nambum, Dr. Bawumia. Ono eno ekwakoye juma. Does it sound something to you? To me, yes, it does, and it does a lot. Say, at the closure of the campaign, a main campaign manager will be on the manage the campaign of another aspirant adjoining Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia in the camp. Me pese yan couldn't go bisa papa yi no nche yen. Die ntia wa jump into the camp of Dr. Bawumia. Na waja Yewra engineer Kwabena Agyepong ama. Yaba na yato aso. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, and let your comment speak at the comment section box. Yentie video no emra sisia.
What happened? Yes, Zonka Samani Bill.
107.3. The campaign manager.
A whole campaign manager?
Yeah.
Now, why? And then, Abba?
Oh, say, your agenda I prosecute. As a manager, I'm supposed to manage the campaign in such a way, say, obey candidate. Obey winning 31st December. Now, obey candidate for the MPP. But, you started at the end of July, and you have to near mana about 8 weeks to election. No? It is not a feasible project. Intina, as I say, between me home because any maybe one am per se to ankosa. But at the end of the day, no, Eba Kasu Ofosu Asamoah was the campaign manager. Ene koye say Intina, I think saying koye uchong.
What say won't me win it?
In fact, that is my sure belief. Say. Winning there, it will be as difficult as a camel going through the eye of the needle.
Engineer Kwabena Agyepong.
That is, as a manager, that is what I saw.
Do call around some who say Yana said, "Have you pen guasi?"
You see, yes, me pen guasi because it says you know we are just about 7 weeks to elections.
Yeah,
and I'm a one. Yeah. As a time, I'm if you hold we have done just 5 regions.
Wow.
Out of 16.
And resources no near na say.
Out of 16 we are Ashanti region or Boase area, yenye. Uba Eastern region, Kwewu block to from place when na yenye.
Mas campaign manager.
Oko Central, and there's some no exam na miano. Oko Central region, a sing area on yenye. And invariably 5 regions in the incomplete. And we are just about 7 weeks to elections. No Christmas time, no. Anyhow. So okay. Good. And a week now you better abanon so no. And yes, that time now call campaign. And a week we know so near Remudada. We just have about 5 weeks. Now if all this time you just less than 4 regions. Now 12 regions are ubit me 2. O share campaign yeah na sabi nye nkwa na ye nye content cro na ye ko na amanfo ato aba man ye ni amanfo na isi akan no enti whilst looking at your strength in your way, you must look at what your opponents are also doing. If you are going to war, you don't prepare. So here we opponent and the other beba, no how I'll be facing.
Yeah.
Oh here Dr. Bawumia or call round that umiti delegates ni na polling station executives, constituency executives, pass executives, electoral area coordinators. Oko Kennedy Agyepong, he does the same. Brian Chapon, the same. But yeah, you were only meeting constituency executives, electoral area coordinators, patrons, and if you look at the voter population of between 1,000 and 1,500, well, in the constituency. Now, constituency, now the maximum number of people will be here. Just about 70. Normally, it ranges between 40 to 70. Nipada chia obunuso omu nyina akro mutuma ya wuso lose. Nipa na yeshia omuno. We never met yenshia polling station executives biada. We were just meeting constituency executives. Hey. And our core baby a polling station be our 5 executives. Until where there are 100 polling stations, there are 500 executives. Alambwa.
Right. Honorable Chamekaka, so now you campaign manager. Until una will lead the campaign.
Yes.
And una draw. Die una utresi yenye se na
yes na uchrona sa anye John no candidate my trust say nko ni nkohia ebi akadi constituency there are about 1,500 voters on amichere omu nyina na omu yekuhia omu asamankese they have to move and come and if you have to provide them with transportation in and then I'm the manager, I manage it, I don't fund it.
Yeah.
And then the candidate funding, it tells you, say, I am unable to fund maybe 1,500 a year. I can only fund about 1,740 people. And I'm a then you go and meet them.
So because we'll be trained in Kwabena Agyepong.
Then me train. Tell me in case oyeni paboni and I'm a and I'm in case Asamoah walk no obwa and I'm a But what I'm saying, who the adwuma shemensa say I should manage it. Say be ya you be win you know.
Okay.
Na strategy a me de beto ho anyway na me de beto ho nyina no ye mfa anye adwuma obi why headmaster of a school no modern born ne me nyina wo headmaster wo na ye anamewa na so kan bibia na e be a proprietor no say there be nyise I mean you are just there
you have to
at the end of the day no school modern bo ana bibia obi anko the proprietor of the school to look at the headmaster eti ebasa na watwe
so why
eti twa matwe me ho no nti na sese nipa for na aka no sese me hwe say nipa I'm a politician me ntwe me ho say me kon makwa akoda me them just like that
okay
eti be hwe for no mu no na so no any me join ni Bawumia na so last time all of us that's all no the last he was campaigning for Bawumia Anambwa yeah so I think we have a soft spot for him and we believe in his this thing so I joined the Bawumia campaign team special operations nti ehona say
me na say
well metro say obi anto abama Dr. Bawumia including you na your campaign man who already so I'm for you pa
107.3
he's a good person.
And the assembly and the young can say and the former Kwabena Agyepong the campaign manager at the other about say or said yeah Kwabena Agyepong faso now yen Niema he will and he can never win this primaries and I'm putting what sense actually say I don't know yet the manager of the campaign and to the strategy and the support to Kwabena Agyepong. But the strategy no beto ho and yes sir and Kwabena Agyepong in fact according to him we are 7 weeks ahead of the primaries. You were 16 regions and a Ghana Maimu. Kwabena Agyepong akọ only what 5 regions up to now, which means in these 7 weeks on to me go everywhere to talk with delegates. It is not easy. Now I say ohemu ye ohemu a enipa me nan na omo aka ni nyina no enipa nan na omo aka ni nyina no enipa ogility se obedi MPP anima obetumi aboa amanye ko no ame ekodi nkunem ene Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Enti enintia ene waba yura la Haji Muhammad Bawumia ne campo or advocacy say obi biara enko every delegates enko. Now onko to aba emfama yura Bawumia na Dr. Bawumia enti maye the flag bearer of the MPP and to face I don't know I see Dunkatia Mami Odende whoever will come from the NDC in 2028. We any the former or the ex-manager of Kwabena Agyepong campaign and the other 12 Dear and I won't Ujune Efao. Shawadrin our comment section bosso. Next time, you have a sense. I was here until we tie in.